Today I'm going to teach you this edging here, this really nice edging. So if you want to learn, come with me to this class that's just getting started. Hello, I'm Ju, your teacher, and today we're going to learn this very delicate edging for you to put on your dish towels, for you to use, give as a gift, or even sell. To start, we're going to take our cloth, and I'll also get the thread, which will be right here. The thread is Tex 295, and the crochet hook I'm going to use will be 1.75 millimeters. And then, to make this edging, we just take our thread, place it here at the edge of our cloth, and you can choose which end you want to start with. Usually we start at the bottom edge of the cloth, okay? To start and go all the way around it, or you can just take the edge and do only the bottom part as well. There are two options we have for doing the blanket stitch. You can choose how you want to do it. And then look, it goes right here at the tip of this imaginary square we have here on our cloth. We're going to pull the thread, stretch it all the way to the edge of the fabric, and then take everything off the hook. Then I come here making the chains. Look, I come right here at this tip of the cloth, and I'm going to make a single crochet here. And now we're just gonna make one chain just to give a little space, and do it like this. Look, this way. Leave a little space from this stitch, pull the yarn and take everything off the hook. Then we make 2 or 3 chains depending on how many you need. Go back into this same space, pull the yarn and take everything off the hook. So it will look like this X. We do the same thing here, continuing on. Lay it down a little on the hook, pull the yarn, take everything off the hook, make 2 chains, go back to the same place, pull the yarn and take everything off the hook. And then you get this little X stitch. Just like this, we keep going and making our dish towel. And then you can choose whether you want to do just the bottom part or if you want to go all the way around your cloth. To make it really nice. The result turns out like this. It looks really beautiful. And I want to know, tell me in the comments if you like this edging. If you're going to use it on your cloths, if you already knew about this cute and easy edging too, you saw that it's not complicated. And if you still have any questions about crochet edgings and borders, leave them here in the comments for me and I'll help you. If I can help here in the comments, I'll help right here. And now, if you want to know everything about edgings and borders, come join me as my student in the Crochet Club. That's my invitation. The link is always here in the video description for you. Just click on the link here in the description or in the first highlighted comment, okay? The QR code is also showing up on the screen so you can become my student in the club. And that way you get access to all my courses, including the complete course on borders. And the course I'm starting now for complete beginners as well on crochet borders. There will be a complete step-by-step for you who want to start this new journey with edgings and borders. Lesson 1 and Lesson 2 are already available there. Soon there will be more lessons in the beginner's course. And there's the more advanced course where you can already find complete edging and border patterns, right? So you can already make your own little edgings. I've already shown you the Olivia border, the rosebud border too, which are really beautiful borders. For those who love to do this kind of work, I really enjoy it. And this one is a little model that will soon be available there too at the Crochet Club. I'm going to make the class, and very soon it will be there. And that's it for today, everyone. I'll stop here. We'll see each other in the next class. Leave your comments for me down below. Leave a like and share this video so you can keep receiving our notifications and updates. Don't forget to subscribe and always turn on the notification bell for that. Big hugs to you all. Thank you so much for your affection and see you then. See you in the next class.